All right, it's already the next day. It's in the morning time, 7:28. Opened up my email. I already got my new tune, part 2. So we'll download that one. Then we'll open up Flash Pro and upload it to our Flash Pro. Then we'll do the same process again. All right, there is the first calibration. We're gonna go ahead and delete that. Then we're gonna go ahead and open up the new one. Sorry, I have my son right here with me. And it's gonna be this one here. Then we're gonna open that up. Then we'll download it. Still trying to open up. Alright, he adjusted my fuel Novitec and added 3 degrees of timing on the low end. So we'll see what's up. And there it is, uploading. Now we just have to upload the tune to the car and do the same driving process. City, then highway, and then third gear pull. Sweet. Make sure you delete all your data logs. All my data logs are deleted. I deleted them last night. Now we're ready to log new logs with this new calibration. Sweet. So we'll go ahead and load that up. Alright, here we are now. I'm gonna go ahead and load up the second base map. Sweet. So we'll go ahead and let that load. Then we'll take it for another spin. Alright, here we go. That shit never gets old. Alright. And we're set. Start her up. Hell yeah. Let's go perform some logs. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and data log. There it is. Let's go. We're off to work. Do some city driving, some highway driving. Jumping on the freeway now. Alright, and that's the end of that data log for city driving and highway. Now we'll set ourselves up for the third gear pull at 3,000 RPM. Alright, I went ahead and did it. Sorry I didn't record it. I am sitting in traffic. Hella cars around me and behind me. So we'll try it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Set ourselves up to 3,000 RPM. This car's fucking it up for us. It's a little hard to do it here. Here we go. Okay, we're at 3,000s. Data log on. Okay, data log off. Alright, we're set. Now we send those calibrations to our tuner. Alright, there it is. We're back at home. Or we're at work. I'm working on this Z. That size right there. Taking a little break. So let's go ahead and open up the Flash Pro. Data logs. We're gonna save all of them. Highlight all. Save as. And then let's make a new folder so I know where it's at. We'll do second. Enter. And open and save. Sweet. And then we'll go ahead and send them off. And we'll wait for the new one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.